Hello friends, in this video we will draw a cardinal bird sitting on the bench in the winter background. You can find the link to the picture of the reference I use in the description below. I like the combinations of red and blues in this picture. Also Christmas is over, but it's a pretty much very Christmassy theme, and you can use it as a Christmas decor or as a greeting card as well. So I started with a sketch of the cardinal bird and the branch. First I draw the branch where he's sitting. It's like a horizontal line over all the page, and another one here. And I will enlarge him to make him big. So first I draw his body like a big circle, and another circle with a head. Then I remove this line, and then I draw the beak, like a triangular shape, and bottom part of the beak here. And you can see here there is a part of black coming down, and his neck is not that prominent, so it goes down right away. And I'm drawing him a bit more choppy than on the photo. So what is special about cardinal birds, they have something like some feathers go up from on the head. So I'll draw it here, and then feathers go down, and his body go down. So now I made him wider at the bottom. And here I'll draw the eye like a circle, and a oblique of sun, and here is like a black area. And some lines to represent his feathers. And here it's not very shown on the photo, but there is his tail. And this line I'll remove it. It will be like many leaves covered with snow. Here is another branch, so I will just outline few leaves here. And I really want to draw some berries, so the picture look more colorful. So I will move berries here, closer to the bird. And I don't really draw exactly the same berries, just the position of them. And the top of them will be covered with snow, so I leave some space there. And here more leaves. And this branch will also have some berries and some leaves, and another branch here, and one more branch here. Will be more prominent, so I will outline the leaves here. And down. And some branches here which are not really visible. So now I will start coloring the background. So what I want to do, I want to mix blue and black, and I'm using my big brush, and I'll do some lines at the back, like with a 30-degree angle, and I leave some space between my strokes. And then I add more black as I work on it. And I don't touch the bird, I just work around it. And then I add some more pigment just around the bird. Add some black, some blue. And then at the back of the bird. Now I'll add some more water because it kind of disappears now. And then again blue. And I'll add some more water here. And here I got some lighter colors. So I'll add some black. And here I go on the top of the place where the leaves will be. And I just do a few strokes in between the leaves. And now I'm getting some darker black here. And go around the berries. And then I will add some splashes here. So I clean my big brush, I'll leave it for now. And now I will take my smaller brush and add some brown, which represents the branches. So while my paint is still wet, I'm adding some brown, like a small strokes. I don't really look at the reference now because I know the branches are here, so I just draw them from my imagination. Here and there, like pretend they are coming from that side. Maybe some more brown here, where the branch will be. So I'm drawing the main part of the branch. And then I will mix brown with green. And add some details. So you can see there was some green here as well. So I do like a little leaves. And the leaves I'm drawing just the bottom of it, because on the top supposed to be snow, so I'll leave it white. So I don't want it to be too greenish, because then you cannot recognize it's a snow, so I'll add some more blue. And I will draw some of the berries too. So I put some red. Some brighter red as well. And I will start drawing Cardinal too, so I'll draw like a sienna on his beak. And sienna on his belly as well. And then I'll add some orange. And some red. So I'm adding some loose orange shade red. And then I'll add some darker red. It's super dark. I'll add some water. More water. And I'll add some brown here. Just to outline it. And then I'll add some water here. And some red on the tail. Some brown. So he's kind of disappearing here, so I'll add some darker blue. To outline the leaves. Adding some details. Outlining the leaves. Here as well. just a few of them, adding some more strokes on the branches, and some more berry here. Now I will draw details of the bird with the red colors. I will outline some feathers. So I start with the head. I put like a blob of red and then I add like lighter strokes around. So you can see there is like a texture start forming on the top of his head. Then I add some lighter colors. And here around the black, I'll add some more red. And I'll add outline here. And a few strokes. You can see here when water touched the dark pigment, there is a texture forming. Now I'll add some more on the wing area, a little bit brownish and darker here, and I'll add some green here, so it's kind of connecting to the red. And more red here. Going down. And some more red on the berries. Not all, but few. And I'll add some more brown details here. So I'm going like at the bottom of the branch. Like this. And define it. Not everywhere, but at some places, and it will add some reddish hint here as well. Go on the top. And I'll add some red to the beak. Like this, outlining it. And maybe add some orange too. And I'll add some green as well. Just a few touches. And I'll start adding some snow, so you can see there is like a snowfall. So I'll do some dots representing the snow on the side. So I'm not doing around the bird, so I don't distract the attention from it. And I'll add some white and add some details representing the snow. water. And some dots on the berries. Some accents on the leaves. And maybe even some branches. And I'll add some, I'll touch the paper with white so it looks like snow. And now I will do the beak. It's the most important part because this is where our focus will be. So first I'll do some light wash around the beak. Like that. And inside the eye. And then I'll add some details. So I draw the top of the eye and I outline the black area. And I'll outline the beak itself. So it's hard to draw now because I cannot touch my drawing with my hand. So I'm kind of hanging my hand on the top of the drawing. Like that. And now I will slightly touch the black lines I did. And I can see there is like a little black around the eye too, so I add few outlines here. And I'll make it lighter with the paper. And I'll add some few black strokes here. Outlining the bird. And outlining the tail. Maybe some few black strokes here and there, but the bird has to be our main focus, so I don't use much of the black around. I'll add some more outlines. And I'll slightly touch it here. Like this. And what I'm gonna do, I will add some snow splashes. I put some white on my brush and then I splash like this against my finger. And then I do like bigger splash just with the movement of my brush, like throwing the water with the white paint on it. So you can see one of the white drops went to his big area, so I'll clean it now a little with my paper. And I'll add some more black details to the eye. into the beak. So I outline the beak one more time with the black. Maybe add some blue splashes around, but not on the bird. I hope you enjoyed drawing this beautiful red cardinal bird in the winter with me, and if you draw on a big paper, you can frame it and use it as Christmas decor, or if you draw it on a small paper, it can be ready to give a greeting card. Thank you for drawing, and don't forget to share your art, tag my art on your social media so I can see what you came up with. Thank you. Big thank you to everyone who watched my video. Who didn't subscribe, please subscribe. Write your comments, press likes. Press bell to be first to watch news of our channel. I wish you good mood, inspiration, and see you soon.